Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex Market Analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focusing on the dollar index and the pound to the US dollar. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just want to go through the news items that can affect the pound dollar, the pair that I'm going to be reviewing today through the course of the week. So some minor items today. These times are Queensland time. At 4 p.m. for the pound, we've got the average earnings index, claim and count change, and then moving into Wednesday. In the early morning for me, 4:35 a.m. for the pound, we've got the Bank of England Governor Bay speaking. At 4 p.m. in the afternoon for the pound, we've got GDP figures, and then into the evening at 10:30 p.m. for the US, we've got the PPI figures, core PPI. Then moving into Thursday, all day we've got the G20 meeting. 4 a.m. in the morning for the US, we've got the FOMC meeting minutes. And then into the evening, 10:30 p.m. for the US, we've got CPI data, month on month, year on year, and core CPI, month on month. Then moving into Friday, into the evening, 10:30 p.m. for the US, we've got core retail sales and retail sales. And moving into Saturday on the midnight, we've got the prelim UOM consumer sentiment. And then we do later on Saturday, the market will be closed, but we've got the Bank of Governor Bay speaking once more at 11 p.m. Saturday evening. Alright, so those are the items that could affect the pound US dollar through the course of the week. Just be aware of those items. With that in mind, let's get to the charts. Alright traders, first up, just want to look at the dollar index. I'm on the monthly chart, squashed it in, so we're having this meteoric rise. We've been moving above now monthly resistance at 111.31, and we've got this major high up here at 120.102 in its sights. So a continued uptrend on the monthly chart here. On the weekly chart, we've just further formed a higher bottom, trading above last week's high here. So a continued uptrend. You can see we actually got support at the 79% fib there to move higher. So I'm expecting this will probably come up and test the high that we've recently formed. And the day chart, putting in another higher bottom here. As we were saying, we could well see this challenge the high to move further up. So a continued uptrend on the dollar index. So to pairs to the US dollar, we should start to see those pairs further moving down if that continues up. So with that in mind, let's get to the pound dollar. Alright traders, on the pound dollar, I'm on the monthly chart. I might try and squash this in so we can see the all-time low if you've got the data on your charts. The all-time low, we traded below it last month, so we're in a serious downtrend. Is that low going to hold for the long term? I know we traded below it, but it could be that run down could be the final run, or are we actually moving down maybe to test parity over the course of time? Alright, so that's the major low there at 104.63 tested. So last month we tested 104.63, and intra-month, this month at the moment, we've managed to move back up to retest broken. This was a major low at 114.09. We've tested that and held, so maybe during the course of the month we're going to move down to retest 104.63. Alright, so in a continued downtrend there at the moment. Even if we have a month up, that's not going to change the trend because we've got lower tops and bottoms on the monthly chart at the moment. Alright, let's move it down to the weekly chart. Alright traders, on the weekly chart, all I'm seeing here is a continued downtrend. We've got a lower top, came down to a minor bottom here to put in another lower top here to a further lower bottom, and we've broken below last week's low now, so we're confirming a further lower top here. Are we simply confirming a further lower top to long term move down and put in a further lower bottom? Okay, nothing really shouting out here to say the trend's changing. We've just had a significant bounce down from 104.63 back up to monthly resistance, putting in a further lower top on the weekly chart, keeping the trend down. Alright, let's just drop down now to the daily. Alright, on the day chart, we've had this very strong rally back up, but last week we failed at the 114.09 level. Managed to get up almost to the 11500 level, but we really tested and failed the monthly now resistance level at 114.09. Traded down to the low of the week. Already this week we've confirmed the lower top on the weekly chart. Now we're just holding above 110 at the moment, but I'm anticipating that we may well be moving back below the 110 level. So what I'm looking for at the moment is we may well have a bit more of a move back up. We could actually come back up and retest 113.50. But what I'm looking for is a lower top to form somewhere. Can we rally back up to 113.50, retest, fail, put in a lower top, and then see a continued move below the 110 level? And maybe through the latter course of this month or into next month, can we move down to retest the 104.63 level? Alright traders, so I'm just seeing a continued downtrend. Can we now see a minor rally? It could get back up to 113.50 to put in a lower top for the next move down below the 110 level. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: 11th of October, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 12th of October, Market Liquidity, Introduction to Smart Money Concepts, Part 1. Learn how institutional traders use market liquidity to execute trades and apply it to your own trading. Understanding market liquidity will help you identify the best entry and exit levels for your trades and improve your overall consistency as a trader. 13th of October, Live Forex Market Review, identifying high probability trading levels. Follow the link below for a full schedule and join for free.